Are you looking to enhance workplace efficiency and safety? The 6S Lean Audit, derived from lean manufacturing principles, focuses on improving organization and eliminating waste. Discover how this methodology can transform your work environment. The 6S Lean process begins with Seiri, sorting unnecessary items. Next, Seiton organizes what's left in a logical manner. Seiso ensures cleanliness through regular maintenance. Seiketsu standardizes these practices across the board. Finally, Shitsuke and safety focus on sustaining improvements and ensuring a safe environment. Log into your account. Implementing 6S Lean leads to improved efficiency by streamlining processes. Enhanced productivity arises from less time spent searching for tools. Waste reduction minimizes costs and environmental impact. Clean, organized workspaces ensure consistent quality outputs. Safety is enhanced through minimized hazards and proper storage. This is the topic of this scene 6S Lean fosters higher employee engagement through active participation. Better communication is achieved with visual aids and standardized procedures. Streamlined processes eliminate unnecessary steps. Simplifying workflows. Faster onboarding is possible with standardized workspaces. A culture of continuous improvement is encouraged through regular audits. 6S Lean Audit software enhances methodology effectiveness. Centralized data management stores all audit-related information. Real-time data capture speeds up reporting with mobile capabilities. Standardized audit procedures ensure consistent, accurate audits. Automated notifications keep scheduling and follow-up actions timely. The eAuditor app simplifies 6S audits with mobile technology. Audit planning allows customized checklists based on specific needs. Scheduling audits is easy with location and time specifications. Mobile data collection ensures all 6S aspects are assessed on site. Immediate reporting highlights compliance status and improvement areas. The 6S Lean Audit offers a structured approach to workplace efficiency. By integrating technology, such as the eAuditor app, the process becomes even more effective. Embrace these principles to achieve a safer, more organized, and productive work environment.